Did you know that Windows assigns your computer a unique ID that can track what you do and show you targeted ads? This ID allows apps and advertisers to track all the activity and build a profile about you so they can show you more personalized ads. Now, most people have no idea this setting is even turned on, but the good news is you can disable it in less than 30 seconds, and today I'm going to show you how. But first, if you enjoy quick tech tips and simple tech tutorials, make sure to drop down below and hit that like and subscribe before you go. It really helps us out, and it'll make sure you never miss a future video from us here at My Computer Works. Thank you for watching. Now let's jump into it. All right, now let me show you exactly how to turn this off. What we're gonna do on Windows 11 is get to our settings. So we could right click our start menu, or we could do Windows key and I, whatever you gotta do to get to settings. And once we're here, full screen it so you could see everything. Hit that little square up in the top right, get a nice view so we could see the left side menu where we're looking for privacy and security, okay? Now under this section in the middle now, we'll see recommendations and offers. We'll click in here and there's a whole bunch of stuff we can toggle off, and most of it's stuff you don't want, I don't want, nobody wants. It's personalized ads, it's advertising ID, again, that way that they can track you, see what you're doing on the web, on your computer, so they can send you ads, more ads. Now, again, this is not going to turn ads off. It's not like we're toggling ads off completely, but we are toggling Windows or Microsoft's ability to track what we do and then try to send us these ads or make them pop up in our start menu. We'll still see ads, but at least they're not creeping into our life and trying to see what we're doing so that they can better adjust or change these ads to something we'll want to see. They do that by doing like local content. You could see in here the different things that they track or that they look at in order to send you these ads. So again, don't be afraid to turn it all off. It doesn't hurt anything if you turn all of these off. It just makes it harder for them to track what you're doing to send these ads to you. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope this video really helped. Again, if it did, drop down below and hit that like and subscribe so I can see you on the next one.